guys, today I'll show you how to make your computer or laptop faster. So let's go to a computer now. So press search, then type RUN run, then press enter, then write TEMP temp, then click OK. Then select all, which is Control A. Then hit delete. Then X out. Again, tap the search bar. Write RUN run. Tap enter. Then write %TEMP temp%. Then click OK. Then select all, which is Control A. Then hit delete. Then press X. And again write run RUN. Then press enter. Then write TREE tree. TREE tree. Then click OK. Then select again. Write RUN run. Click enter. Then write TREE space EXE 3X. Then click OK. And again write RUN, press enter. Then write PREFETCH. Prefetch. Then click OK. Then tap continue. Then select all, which is Control A. Then hit delete. Then tap skip if it doesn't work. Then X out. Then again type RUN run. Then click enter. Then write RECENT recent. Then click OK. Then hit Control A. Then hit delete. Then again write run. Click enter. Then write RECOVER recover. Then click OK. And lastly again write run. Click enter. Then write SFC. Then click OK. And this is all, and it's finished, and your computer is fast and new. Finally, double click the recycle bin, open it, select all, Control A, then press delete, and type yes, then X out, and you'll be all. When you clean from the recycle bin, everything is fresh and new. Try these steps every week once. These steps will help you make your computer much faster.